Okay, hello you guys. So I'm here today to show you guys how to download and submit the ticket with the tool on Support Hub. So here we have the file for the PC framework pilot day ship, alright, and then we can hit into download, and here we have a compressed file that I already downloaded here. And when you download it, you can extract it with here, and then you just create a new folder like this. I'm gonna type the name is to submit, and I'm gonna transfer all the file from here to the to submit. We're gonna wait it a little bit, and here we have all the file we needed. First of all, what you need to do first is to come to the Chromium, and then you log in with your VPN account, which I already log in here, as you can see. Oh, I'm not logged in here. I'm gonna have the password, and then our 10 code. We're gonna log in our VPN Wayfair account, and then the tool we use this Chromium to submit instead of the normal Chrome like we used to do in here. Okay, so we're back at our main interface. So I'm gonna go in a file which I already have it here. You will go into this file, this intranet GPS 2 application. Okay, so when you first log in, you will have to log in with your intranet account, which I already did, but I'm gonna go back and log it again for you guys. Okay, yeah. So here we have the username. Okay. How I'm gonna come back? I'm gonna load it again. Okay, so our username from intranet and our password, I'm gonna check here. So when you log in successfully, the tool will ask you, do you want to save your login information? So if you said yes, the next time you log in, you don't have to log in all over again. You just need to type yes. And here we have our main interface of the tool. So what we have here is this one. This one is for us to filter and download the data that we wanted to submit in a Excel file. Here is the option where we can submit the create form, and this option is for when you want to download what you have submitted, to check if there is any error or something like that. Now this one is clear your browser. This one is not usually used very much, but it's there, so you can know it's there. And this one is for us to download the SSAT ticket. This is a little bit special one. What we use most would be the first tool here. So I'm gonna filter one of the tickets. So today week is week 30. The agent should be your employee number, which is mine is 9926. The processor, I'm gonna leave it blank because because that not need to fill it out, because I'm gonna submit all of the ticket that I've done. value is when you want to filter the specific agent that you have creasy, but like I've said, I wanted to submit all of the tickets, so I'm gonna leave it blank too. The ticket, I'm gonna leave it blank. Date report, date report. I'm gonna this ticket I did on Monday, I believe. So I'm gonna choose 28. But if you don't want to, you can delete all and leave it blank too. If you wanted to submit all of the ticket, for a reason, I'm gonna leave it blank. So here we have three options, which is not yes and no. Which is what it mean is when you go to the internet tool, you can see that we have an option that says here we have an option that says submit create form, so we can know which one is submitted or not. And when they give you these three options, you can click not, and they will download and they will filter all of the ticket that you have not clicked on this sections. And not and yet is for when the ticket that you have clicked on and on is for everything. So here I'm gonna choose everything. I'm gonna choose not because I want to filter all the ticket that I haven't submit yet. So the correct number would be 860 because I did 60 tickets on Monday, so the 60 is correct. And when you said that you should press enter to continue, you can press enter, and we can go back to the file that we have here. Okay. At first there was only this create process data Excel file, but after you download that filter, it will create another one. And this one is the week bomber by agent 9926 that I have just filtered earlier. And we're gonna go in this new Excel, and we're gonna copy all of the data information that we have to the I'm gonna Control A and copy all and go back to the creasy process data, and I'm gonna copy paste everything in here. So after the tool will take the data from this specific create process data to submit, so you have to transfer all of the information from this one to this one. Okay, so we have I'm gonna Control R to select all, and we gonna Control V to pass it on. And another thing to remind here that in the if process we have to change this into yes, so the tool will know that we wanted to submit all this ticket. So I'm gonna do it, copy all and paste it on everything here. And then what you want to do is to Control S to save the file. After you save the file, you want to exit the file, because when you submit, if you not exit this process data, it will not update the ticket that you have already submit on this Excel. So you just remember to exit this file before you submit. So here we're gonna go back into our tool again, and then we're gonna hit the second option, which is submit create form. So in here we have three options that it said that after you submitted one ticket, the tool will give you an option to press N to continue with the next one. So here we have three options that you want to press N after every ticket, or you don't want to do it for any ticket. And the third one is for after every 10 tickets. So I'm gonna demonstrate and show you guys on the first one. It would click, you have to click and after every ticket, but this just demonstrates, so I don't, it's okay. Okay, so here it's gonna take all the data and go to the support and filled out all the information that we need. Okay, we can go in here. It will calculate the score and press done for the agent. Okay, so at this point it's done. We have the ticket, we have the PO, we have everything, that information that needed to be clicked yes, and this is a pass query, so everything should be yes and a pass, and this should be 100 score. And we have this fine line, which is click on the pass, the query start with issues, the query fail with issues. So this is a clean one. If you don't press end after 30 seconds, it will automatically go to the next one. So here's the next one. So yeah, they've done one more, and I'm gonna show you one more when I press end. And basically when it's submitted on the support hub, it also click yes on the internet for you. After the ticket, I'm gonna reload it, and you can see on the right here we have two of the ticket we have already submitted. Both tick yes on the submit query form. Yeah, so basically I'm gonna just exit here and talk a little more. So if you reload it, it will click on the third one. The third one will have the because I didn't click end on the very end of the submit, so it doesn't have the third one. If I click end on the third one, it will have it here. So but this one is we already submit, so I'm gonna click manually. I'm gonna go back to the file to show you guys that here in the create process data, the tool is also click yes on the submit create form in the Excel, and that is why I tell you guys to close the create process data when you running the tool, because if you don't, it will don't fill it in the submit query form. So remember to close the Excel file when you submit it. And for the third one, I've already submitted. Here we can go and check again. Here we have the query for this ticket, and everything is done, everything is clean, and I'm gonna click yes in here, and I'm gonna save it. And after that, I'm gonna come back to the ticket to the tool and submit it once again, and everything just go over and over again like that. So basically it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just to remember to first of all, I see a lot of people forget to do this, is they forget to hit yes on the process. So if I don't click on yes, let me do an example. if I click no in here, and then I'm come back to the tool and submit, it will send us a notification that we can't submit the ticket because we don't hit yes on the submit create form. Here we have a notification from the tool that we need to fill yes or y on the if process column. Yeah, so that's one error that most people forget on their first trial, but it's not too hard. You just do it like a couple of times, and then you will become master of it in no time. Yeah, so basically that's everything that I want to show you on on this tool. I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay. Okay, bye.